Bad breath is a common problem for many people. It's caused by millions of bacteria that collect in your mouth. Simply brushing your teeth doesn't remove all these bacteria. That's because up to 80% of bad breath comes from bacteria that hide in the pores of your tongue. The secret to lasting fresh breath is a clean tongue. The new Philips Sonicare TongueCare Plus tongue brush and antibacterial tongue spray are designed specifically for the tongue. Together, they form an advanced breath management system to eliminate bacteria and neutralize odors for all-day fresh breath. After brushing your teeth, finish out your routine with Philips Sonicare TongueCare Plus in 3 simple steps. Click, spray, clean. Transform your Philips Sonicare toothbrush into a tongue cleaner with just 1 click. Next, apply our antibacterial tongue spray, which kills 99% of odor-causing bacteria. Turn the handle on and begin cleaning. Start at the front of your tongue and move backwards, as far as is comfortable for you. The specially designed tongue brush has 240 rubber microbristles that contour to the tongue to gently remove hidden layers of bacteria. TongueCare Plus reduces bad breath up to 2 times better than brushing your tongue with a manual toothbrush. For optimal results, repeat the spray and cleaning process 3 times. After cleaning your tongue, rinse the tongue brush under the tap before storing. The new Philips Sonicare TongueCare Plus. Innovation and you. Philips Sonicare.